Get the heck? Is it all down? Just a second. Anyway, it's just fine.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I am a trader in binary options, and I want to tell you one good news. I have free Telegram channels, absolutely free, where I post signals and we can actually trade together. I'm just welcoming all of you who are into it or interested to just follow my links and find my Telegram channels to trade together.
Hi guys, just welcoming you back on my Pocket Option channel where we test signals, try signals, not signals, that was my mistake, where we actually try strategies. And I have tried with my signals in my Telegram. I hope you know that. So I'm going to tell you that just in the beginning. All my links just below this video or in my bio, but this time we're going to test the today's strategy and how it's going to be this type of situation for today's market for us. And here we are at a desk, 1 minute interval for start, 300 for start 2, and currency pairs with the biggest payouts. That's just the class C of the class C. Just done. Here we're gonna be using 30 seconds for the candles. Just switch back from 10 seconds period. And here I just prepared all, gonna a little bit, it's gonna be 7 of course, and prepared all the indicator Beers Power, CCI and the envelopes, save it. And here's gonna be also 7, a little bit, and guess what number? Yep, 7. Just finishing all that. Guys, it's not going to be that complicated. I've been using that strategy and showing that actually on the different platforms. And I think maybe that's not the first time also. But anyway, we are looking for some combination, but Beers Power and CCI a little bit, not the perfect combo. I mean, just comparing the speed of reacting, how they actually behave to the candles. Maybe that's the perfect because we don't have two, quite the same indicators, but sometimes it's giving us some wrong impressions and that's a bit more complicated to analyze different indicators. We're gonna try it, we're gonna use it, and we're gonna see. I'm not gonna get here for a long just because it's quite obvious that we're gonna get for some upward trend. We are at the bottom and all 3 indicators definitely just showing us we're gonna get downward. We're gonna get upward. Oh, look at that guys, let's check it out. And this is it. We're gonna rise. I expected it's gonna be a little bit more, but anyway, it's just fine. And that's enough for us for the first profit that we are just having. I don't know. Luckily or just unfortunately, I found quite the same situation, but the difference, just look at that. My expectation still that we're going to rise. Maybe we still have some ending of that tendency getting downward and of that falling. But look at that. The whole situation is quite the same as the previous one. But the indicators are a little bit different, especially CCI. And look at that. CCI at the bottom trying to get upward but getting flat and slowly. But Beers Power giving us that info. Guys, we're going to rise, maybe slowly, but we're gonna rise. And yeah, I think here we just caught that ending maybe slowly, but ending maybe that the plateau of that previous tendency, and maybe we needed to enter a little bit later, just a little bit, yeah, because here now we can see the tendency, but nobody knows how long that tendency gonna be. And with this type of strategy and with this type of indicators, I must say here is not so much info. Forget this massive prediction info. We don't have any MACD, any stochastic oscillator, or the awesome oscillator, and that's why we need to be quite careful. about this one? I made my bet, and first of all, the indicators, the bearish power a little bit but indicators, CCI, the envelope showing us we're gonna get downward. But what actually made me think like that, and maybe just made me make that decision, that look at the whole chart. Here is just the fluctuations. Maybe we're gonna get a little bit more downward because here is the tendency we're gonna get downward, but that's the letter. I mean, this is just repeating tendency of getting upward then downward, upward then downward. So here is the combo from it. The whole chart getting a little bit downward. You may see that this all indicators showing us that. Plus, we are just catching this tiny tendency of getting downward. So this is also a combo, and we can be maybe not quite safe or safe at all, but it's just going to be enough, to have as a profit and quite a nice one. Yes, just this is the end. This is the end. This is the end of this downward trend. And again, it's kind of a little bit harder to catch that if you are still seeing and detecting the continuation of the trend. But in my expectation, we're gonna get back, guys. We're gonna get back because there's not so much space, and with the bearish power, with the CCI, it cannot be falling for that long. And you may see, this is unlike the previous situation. The whole chart is falling, that's true. But I don't think it's gonna be that clear falling for all minute, and I hope so, because my expectation was we're gonna fall, then we're gonna rise. And we entered, I hope not in the middle, but quite close to the end. And indicators started to show that, and I needed more, I needed faster. Just a few seconds left. All of them, because I already prepared to say sorry, I didn't mean it, I was correct, something was wrong. No, it was fine, just fine. Here we are, the latest one, 6 bets. All indicators showing us we're gonna rise, and I know here's again and again the situation just like that. The previous was kind of high volatility stuff. And here's a tiny risk that we may actually be continuing that one. But all indicators showing us we're gonna get beautifully upward. And I'm gonna play for that. And I'm gonna hope and pray. Don't. Guys, let's skip it because I'm started. No, there's nothing to skip. I need to watch that, to command that just right on the camera, and do not to curse just right here at the camera. I think it's going to be all fine, but it's just going to be slowly. I don't like these indicators that is showing us that no, get back. Is it all of them? It seems like it. Yeah, this period is a little bit more tiny than I want it to be. And just as I told you, we entered and we caught the high volatility situation again. This is it. Just done. All the info that I supposed or needed to say. Actually, I told you that already in the beginning. So guys, just give me some info, give me some comments how that was for you. If you've been trying that strategy by yourself, what are your results, what are your problems, or maybe what are your expectations from this type of combination of indicators. So guys, all the links, all of that. See you again.